club. I'm a girl. Bar is 15 kg or 15 pounds. 15 kg or 15 pounds. 44 pounds plus 30 pounds. The bar is 15 kg. It's very interesting to imagine. One is green. One is red. I feel like hilarious. So, if I'm correctly, give me a total number. How heavy I did? Hey, Jimmy. We just pressed here 63. Gym look empty. Yeah, my gym looks pretty empty. The bar is 45. Bar is 15. Oh, wait. I have no idea which one is correct, guys. Enjoy your workout. Thank you, class. So. Oi, hola. So, altogether, how much do you think it is? Some bar are 40 pounds with the lock. I think my bar is 40 pounds. So, I think mine is altogether 85 kg. Happy National Wine Day. Cheers. How does people drink wine? Make their tongue. I can't do that, but some people can curl their tongue. I can't curl it. Cheers. Thank you, Jimmy. Round two. Hurry up. Boosting up the energy. Feet flat. Arch my back. Honestly, I don't know why I need to arch the back. Good. Stand to the bar. Hand. The reason I need to do this because my ankles are really weak. I need to do more ankle workout. For example, like holding the bar and do this. No? You guys training your ankles. Louis! Hello, Louis! Hello, sister! You guys do this? Like holding a weight? Hello.